G'day guys, it's Tim here, just in the Qantas Lounge at the moment, just getting ready to board my flight on the way to Melbourne. It's the first time we've run an event in Melbourne in about 6 weeks, so looking forward to getting back over there and seeing all our Melbourne clients and staff, and maybe even spend a bit of time in the Melbourne office. But just wanted to do a quick Facebook Live. A couple of weeks back we did a Q&A session, giving people an opportunity to get anything they want answered by me. We had a huge response to it, so we're going to do that again for tomorrow. So just wanted to quickly get on the Facebook Live and let people know. Look, if there's any questions you want to ask, whether it's a technical question, whether it's about finance, investing, tax, or maybe it's more of a personal question about me and my journey, or maybe it's a mindset question, you know, about goal setting or anything along those lines. So feel free to ask whatever questions you want, post them on the comment down below, in the comments down below, and I'll get through them tomorrow and I'll answer as many as I possibly can in the time that I have to do the Facebook Live tomorrow, and hopefully we can provide you guys with as much value. So, you know, share this around if there's anyone else you think might want to be involved as well. Thanks a lot for that, guys. I've got to go and jump on my plane now, so have a great day, and we look forward to speaking to you tomorrow. Bye.